This is dumb, really. All right, now. You know what?
I'm just gonna start oozing if we do that.
Oh, the valves are closed, so it shouldn't ooze, but the oil. But I think we're gonna go get the take the stuff out of the truck and use the hand truck to bring the new one here and the old one away. Okay. And we'll mount the new unit on the wall here. I am a believer of a philosophy that a good technician is aware of their surroundings.
Sure.
Let's take a look at this box, folks. Now, this is a 48K, 48,000 or 4-ton BTU air handling device called the air handler, or handling unit. It is multi-positional. It can be installed vertically, horizontally, left discharge, side discharge. You know, we have a model number there that's slightly different than what we normally see here. Between the 48 and the PAH, there's an M. Now, M stands for modular. This has a gross weight of 239.4 pounds. And even though it's made in China, Brock Air Products, INC, is the manufacturer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Extreme Plus system is ACIQ's flagship premium high-performance, high-efficiency systems that offer both high-performance cooling and heating at crazy temperatures. You know, this thing will provide heat at negative 22 degrees. Negative 22 degrees. You know what that is, folks? You could be at the North Pole, and this will extract heat from the outdoor ambient air and dump it into your igloo.
And it's not going to be that lukewarm air.
100 degrees of heat.
100-degree temperature.
And if you're in the Sahara Desert, at 122 degrees of outdoor ambient temperature, it'll still provide heating. Heating. It'll provide heating, all right. Cooling. Phenomenal. And unfortunately, we were going to do a test last week, but, you know, we plan and God laughs. I had a trip to Palm Springs, California planned. I made it all the way to Salt Lake City, and it just wasn't in the cards. You know, because we were going to push the extreme limits of the Extreme system by installing it where the August temperatures reach 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crazy. But this is very exciting. Very, very exciting. And you too could be part of the Powered by movement by going to aciq.com/MikeyPipes. Learn more information on how to become a dealer for free and buy direct and start saving your customers money and start installing premium equipment and putting your name on it. Why pay for Carrier, Bosch, Trane, Lennox, whatever you're putting in? Why pay for that privilege of being a dealer when you can buy direct from ACIQ? All right. We're going to finesse this. Oh, hold on. Get that a little more down here. That's gonna. I'm good. Oh, more towards me. Okay, good. Because the this side is the heaviest side. Yeah. So we're gonna roll it up this curb. Hold on. Not ready. Okay. All right. She heavy, mama. Probably better to pull.
Mikey Pipes!
I'm on my hands and knees.
Whoa!
All right. All right, let's.
Push it more towards me a little bit. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
There she blows. What did you say?
I said, I can't believe I got Mikey Pipes on his knees. I got it all on recording.
Oh my God. That's gonna go viral. Hold on.
Oh, now you got the big black thing in your mouth. Daniel, it's not even 9 a.m. and Mikey was already on his knees.
Oh, you know what I didn't do?
What?
I didn't go into the attic and grab any footage of the abortion. We should probably go up there and see what's going on.
They were using the sawzall.
Yeah, so there.
Look at that beautiful unit.
Oh, they don't even see the beautiful side of it. Hold on. They just see the gold coating. Now,
She's a
this
Clark.
This is a sexy mama. This is quality. This is ACIQ. And it comes with no branding on it whatsoever, which means it's your brand ready. Powered by ACIQ. So this is the 4-ton side discharge as opposed to top discharge like that one was. It allows us to have, clearance from like side yard setbacks if your jurisdiction has that. But what's most impressive about this, besides it being self-cleaning, yeah, it cleans itself after every cycle, is the whisper quiet operation. I've documented many installs where the operation and the noise level gets interrupted by what you hear right now. The landscapers, the leaf blowers, the weed whackers, the lawnmowers. But look at this bad boy. She's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And fully communicating inverter-driven compressor. Absolutely stunning. We're going to unbolt it from the pallet it comes on, and we're going to mount it with a wall mount bracket on the back of this house. Right there. It's going to be beautiful, and it's going to be gorgeous. And it's going to be another Mikey Pipes powered by ACIQ. 4-ton install with Murphy Air helping. Love it. All right, here's my mounting bracket for the wall mount bracket. I'm just going to do what I normally do. And we're going to put a mark there for center and a mark there for center. And we're going to take this wall mount bracket and use the hardware to bolt it to the side of the home. So what I'm doing right now, I am threading in reverse the bolts that hold the condensing unit to the arm. I'm doing this because what I've noticed lately is that when I try to put the bolts in, there's plastic over the steel threading, and you can't do it. Now, maybe it's a mold defect, but maybe this one will let me do it. Let's see. See, it just doesn't want to go. There's too much plastic on the threads. Even on this side. Wow, look. They totally took plastic and wrapped the threads with it. See that? It's crazy. Look at that. See? Plastic in the threads as opposed to those. Right?
That one's booted up too.
Yeah. But this one, like over plastic. You can't get it in there. So now we're going to pick that out. Wow, look at that. All that plastic. Imagine we were fighting this thing with the unit on the wall and trying to get this bad boy out. Doesn't happen. I was cursing the thing last week. Cursing it. So now that goes in. Now we're good. Perfect. All right, folks. Oh my God, is that the air handler blower motor? Wow. Oh man, that's cocky in your lungs.
Do you know 1/8 of an inch can reduce airflow up to 50%?
Damn, no wonder why you're growing your business by like doubling it every month like ACIQ. My God. I should do a ride along with you.
No. I would get in trouble.
You would get in trouble. Yeah, you probably would. You get a lot of haters then.
I live in a very progressive area.
Here's our wall mount bracket. I use some of the lag bolts to secure it to the side wall of the home. We had to blast through a hard tiled surface below the vinyl siding, but then we got wood, so we're quite good.